The loan companies are a large network of financial companies. It's not true that they all do the same. They are so different in many respects. The first important thing to know is that loans for people with bad credit are becoming more difficult to obtain. Many people with bad credit will find it impossible to get a loan from a company or bank that they want to do business with. This is why you see so many people with bad credit standing at a loss when they apply for a loan. Banks and other lenders want to sell their property. So, they have very high interest rates and very strict lending criteria for loan applications. This makes it extremely difficult for people with bad credit to obtain a loan. If you are a person who wants to buy a house and then start a family, bad credit is not going to help you at all. Most of these companies do have some basic information about you on your credit report. They will give you a good idea of whether or not you have good credit. You can check your report for free from any of the 3 credit reporting agencies. Usually they will provide you with a number of different loans at a much better rate than other loans such as credit cards, unsecured debt consolidation loans, auto loans, etc. That is because these are considered more stable than most other types of loans. Usually these are secured loans. So, the more you pay back, the higher the interest rate. Most loan companies are concerned about your credit report. Some will approve you and others will not. There are some loan companies who won't even give you an application unless you can demonstrate a solid track record of paying your credit bills. They want to see that you can handle your money before they decide whether to approve you or not. These loan companies are run by professional marketing professionals. It doesn't matter what the product is, what you need the money for, or how bad your credit is. These loan companies get paid by large corporations who need a reliable loan program to help them meet their funding needs. So, they won't take any risks with your money. So, if you're interested in taking out a loan, check out the online lenders first. Look at the rates, qualifications, and even the companies themselves. You will get a lot of helpful information in this manner. Make sure that you shop around. Many of these online loan companies will have a service contract. If you are going to use them, make sure that you read and understand what is written on the service contract. Make sure that the terms are specific and that you fully understand the fine print. One of the problems with applying for a loan for people with bad credit is that the company will likely ask you to pay a set amount up front. If you don't know how much you need to pay, you will be shocked when you receive a phone call from them asking you for the money. So, make sure that you ask them to send you a prepayment letter that will tell you how much you need to pay. It is always a good idea to ask for a bank loan from your local bank. They understand that your credit is not great, but they are more likely to lend you the money if you have an excellent credit history and have a steady income.